Everybody say HemoHIM. Okay, there you are. Overall well-being. Think about that. In my years of experience, I realized that HemoHIM may not and should not, in my opinion, be the first product that you introduce to people. The failure rate is rather high. I'm just giving you some practical suggestions, all right? Number one, the taste is an acquired taste. Not everybody likes HemoHIM taste. Agree? It has very high therapeutic properties, the HemoHIM, because of the research. So many people take it, and if they are not careful, or if they're not healthy, or if they don't understand, they will have healing crisis and detox effects. They will have maybe headaches, they may constipate, which is very common, all right? And they will feel very heaty, if there's a word for it, all right? And actually it's because they haven't drank enough water. Actually it's because the body is not in good balance, and HemoHIM reveals the weakness of the body, and the body tells you the story. But then you say, I know my body, it doesn't happen like that, and now with HemoHIM it becomes like that. Something's wrong with HemoHIM. Oh yes, sure, something's wrong with a 16 PhD scientists who put their head together over an 8-year period to give you HemoHIM. So your head is bigger than 16 PhD scientists. And you probably agree, yeah, PhD, permanent head damage, that's why. But that is not the case, right? They understood what it means to give you HemoHIM, but at the right time, in the right place. And oftentimes, from my background, helping people to get healthy, I told them the foundation has to be fixed. The foundation of vitamin C and probiotics and omega-3 oils. That is the foundation of your health. Upon which you throw in the HemoHIM, it will begin to work far better for these people after the initial period of the foundation.